Heather Turner here, the librarian at the middle school, high school, and I'm here to talk about some Google tips and tricks to help you, the parents, during distance learning. Here we are in Google Classroom again. This is the home screen for Google Classroom, and we are going to go into one of the classrooms, and I'm just going to click on one of the titles. And right here we have the stream. The stream is a location in the classroom that is kind of like the news feed for social media. So it's kind of just announcing things. There's really no order or organization for the stream, which makes it really challenging when you're trying to find assignments and what's due. This is not really a location that I would worry about finding things other than if a teacher is making an announcement. For example, in the 6th grade distance learning classroom, this tends to be where the teachers give kind of the rundown of what the week might look like, what things are going to be due. But like I said, it can get really messy very quickly because there's a lot of stuff that is posted in here. So I don't suggest that it's the place that you go if you're looking to see what items are due. So, but it does give a direct link to the to-do list, which is right here under upcoming. That'll take you, if you click on view all, that'll take you right to the to-do list and all the items that have been assigned. So that's kind of the only way that I really use it as a student view. That is the stream in Google Classroom. Should you need any help, be sure to reach out and I would be happy to help you at hturner@fabiuspompey.org.